Future Trend 5. Feed Innovation, Synthetic Biology and Precision Nutrition. Feed systems from 2025 to 2040 will be transformed through synthetic biology, creating custom nutrients, precision delivery at the molecular level, and AI-optimized formulations that enhance efficiency while reducing environmental impact and improving animal health outcomes. Synthetic biology revolution will fundamentally change how nutrients are produced and delivered. Designer nutrients will include custom amino acids, vitamins, and bioactive compounds optimized specifically for dairy metabolism, moving beyond adapting existing ingredients to creating ideal nutritional components from the ground up. These synthetic nutrients will be engineered at the molecular level to maximize bioavailability, stability, and effectiveness while minimizing waste and environmental impact. Custom amino acid profiles will be designed to match the exact requirements of different cow genetics and production stages. Microbial feed factories will use engineered organisms to produce high-quality proteins from waste streams, converting materials that would otherwise require disposal into valuable nutritional components. These biological production systems will operate continuously, producing consistent quality nutrients while reducing environmental impact. Algae integration will create photosynthetic systems that convert CO2 into concentrated nutrition, simultaneously addressing climate change while producing high-value feed ingredients. These systems will capture atmospheric carbon while producing proteins, lipids, and other nutrients with precise nutritional specifications. Programmable bacteria will operate within the rumen to enhance digestion and produce specific nutrients as needed, creating living nutritional supplements that adapt to changing animal needs and optimize rumen function continuously. Precision nutrition delivery will achieve unprecedented accuracy in nutrient targeting. Nanotechnology encapsulation will enable nutrients to target specific tissues with timed release, ensuring that nutrients reach their intended destinations at optimal times for maximum utilization. Intelligent capsules will protect sensitive nutrients during digestion and release them at precise locations in the digestive tract, maximizing absorption while minimizing degradation and waste. These systems will respond to pH, enzyme activity, and other physiological signals to optimize nutrient delivery. Individual formulations will optimize feed recipes for each cow's genetics and production stage through AI analysis of genetic profiles, health status, production goals, and environmental conditions. Real-time adjustments will modify nutrition continuously based on physiological feedback from monitoring systems. Molecular monitoring will track nutrient utilization and metabolic status continuously, enabling immediate nutritional adjustments when metabolism changes due to health, environmental, or production factors. Alternative protein sources will revolutionize feed ingredient availability and sustainability. Insect protein systems will use automated production to convert waste into high-quality feed protein, creating closed-loop systems that solve waste management challenges while producing valuable nutrition. These systems will operate year-round in controlled environments, producing consistent quality protein while converting organic waste that would otherwise create environmental problems into valuable feed ingredients. Single-cell proteins will be produced by microorganisms using simple substrates, enabling protein production from materials that cannot be used directly for animal nutrition. These systems will convert agricultural residues, food waste, and other organic materials into high-quality proteins. Cellular agriculture will supplement traditional feed ingredients with lab-grown components that provide specific nutritional benefits, creating hybrid feeding systems that combine the best aspects of traditional and technological approaches. Atmospheric nutrition will capture nitrogen and carbon directly from air, reducing dependency on traditional feed sources while creating nutrients from abundant atmospheric resources. These systems will use renewable energy to convert atmospheric gases into feed ingredients. Smart feed technologies will create responsive feeding systems that adapt to changing conditions. Responsive ingredients will adapt to environmental conditions automatically, maintaining optimal nutrition despite temperature, humidity, and other environmental changes that affect nutrient stability and availability. Intelligent delivery systems will optimize nutrient timing and absorption through sophisticated release mechanisms that coordinate with natural digestive rhythms and metabolic needs. Self-adjusting rations will modify composition based on real-time animal performance data, continuously optimizing nutrition for maximum efficiency and animal welfare. Environmental integration will ensure that feeding systems enhance rather than degrade farm ecosystems, creating positive environmental impacts while maintaining nutritional excellence. Advanced processing technologies will maximize nutrient availability and minimize waste. Precision fermentation will enhance nutrient bioavailability while reducing anti-nutritional factors that limit ingredient utilization. Enzymatic processing will break down complex nutrients into more digestible forms while preserving beneficial compounds that might be lost in traditional processing methods. Ultra-precision grinding and mixing will ensure perfect homogeneity and particle size optimization for maximum digestibility and minimal waste, reducing feed costs while improving animal performance. Protective processing will maintain nutrient integrity during storage and handling through advanced preservation techniques that maintain quality without chemical preservatives. Feed efficiency optimization will achieve remarkable improvements in resource utilization. Precision feeding will reduce nutrient waste by 40 to 60% through exact formulation and delivery that eliminates overfeeding while ensuring adequate nutrition. Digestibility enhancement will improve nutrient extraction from feed ingredients through processing techniques and additives that maximize the value obtained from each ingredient. Metabolic optimization will coordinate feeding with natural metabolic rhythms to maximize nutrient utilization efficiency and minimize metabolic stress on animals. Waste reduction will minimize feed costs and environmental impact while maintaining or improving animal performance and product quality. Feed environment integration will create systems where feed production and utilization enhance environmental quality. Carbon sequestering feed crops will capture atmospheric carbon while producing high-quality nutrition, creating feeds that provide negative carbon footprints. Biodiversity-enhancing feed systems will support ecosystem health while producing nutrition, creating agricultural systems that improve rather than degrade environmental quality. Water-efficient production will minimize water use in feed production while maintaining quality and yield, addressing water scarcity challenges in many agricultural regions. Soil-building feed production will improve soil health while producing nutrition, creating regenerative agricultural systems that enhance rather than depleting natural resources. Quality assurance evolution will ensure consistent excellence in feed quality and safety. Real-time quality monitoring will provide continuous assessment of feed quality throughout production, storage, and delivery, preventing quality problems before they affect animal performance. Blockchain tracking will provide complete traceability from ingredient sourcing through final delivery, ensuring quality and safety while enabling rapid problem identification and resolution. Predictive quality modeling will forecast feed quality changes during storage and handling, enabling proactive quality management that maintains optimal nutrition throughout feed life cycles. Contamination prevention will eliminate mycotoxins, pathogens, and other harmful substances through advanced detection and removal technologies that ensure feed safety without compromising nutrition. Economic optimization will maximize the value delivered through feeding programs. Cost-effectiveness analysis will optimize nutrition delivery for maximum economic return while maintaining animal health and welfare standards. Market integration will coordinate feed formulation with product pricing and market demands, optimizing feeding programs for maximum profitability under varying market conditions. Risk management will minimize feed cost volatility through strategic sourcing, storage, and formulation approaches that reduce exposure to commodity price fluctuations. Value-added nutrition will create premium products that command higher prices through enhanced nutritional profiles that meet specific market demands for functional foods and enhanced nutrition. Technology integration will create seamless feeding systems that coordinate with other farm technologies. IoT connectivity will integrate feeding systems with health monitoring, environmental control, and production management systems for coordinated optimization. AI coordination will synchronize feeding with milking, breeding, and health management for maximum system efficiency and animal welfare. Automated adjustment will respond to changing conditions faster than human operators while maintaining safety and quality standards. Data integration will combine feeding data with health, production, and environmental data for comprehensive farm optimization that maximizes overall performance. Research and development will continue advancing feed technologies through partnerships with universities, biotechnology companies, and ingredient suppliers that accelerate innovation and technology transfer. Regulatory adaptation will accommodate new feed technologies while ensuring safety and efficacy. creating approval pathways for innovative ingredients and delivery systems. Consumer acceptance will build support for advanced feeding technologies through education about benefits for animal welfare, environmental impact, and product quality. Global coordination will standardize feed quality and safety requirements across international markets, enabling trade in advanced feed technologies and ingredients. Key insight: by 2035, feed efficiency will improve by 25 to 40% through precision nutrition while reducing environmental impact and supporting enhanced animal health. This transformation will position feeding programs as precision biological systems that optimize animal performance while contributing to environmental sustainability and economic competitiveness. Success will require integration of synthetic biology, precision delivery, AI optimization, and environmental stewardship to create feeding systems that exceed current performance while addressing global challenges of resource scarcity and environmental protection.